Former Rockwell Collins chief being considered for Boeing CEO, report says. Reuters. Ortberg, Spirit AeroSystems CEO Pat Shanahan and Boeing Chief Operating Officer Stephanie Pope are among candidates for the Boeing job, the trade publication said. Reuters has reported Shanahan and Pope as contenders along with Boeing board chair Steve Mollenkopf. Below are your comments. Why is Pope even in consideration? Just stop it. They need to find someone who actually started out as an engineer or mechanic. One of the big reasons Boeing is buying Spirit back is because of poor performance on the part of SP. Spirit. So why would Boeing consider hiring the Spirit CEO? Isn't Rockwell Collins one of Boeing's major suppliers that can't deliver on time? Why hire the leader? At least he's an engineer. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.